All right. Whenever you're ready. Shit! Man overboard! Fuck! Man overboard, breathe a little bit. Bear away. Alright, tacking, heaving to. Careful. Look how I'm drifting and falling towards him with this Heave-To. Okay, and I can always give a little bit of forward, a little bit of backwards, but even if the engine didn't start, look at this. I didn't even use the engine yet, and we're already drifting super close to him and get ready for a pickup. Okay? I'm giving a little bit of reverse. So we're drifting really close to him. That is already a line throwing distance, and now I can neutralize, no risk of prop wrapping anyone, and we have him. Plus, now I can focus on retrieving him. I can lock the helm, leave the boat, come to the side, and now think of a way to bring the man overboard back. Okay, we're in a Heave-To position, like it's super easy right now. The boat is very comfortable. Okay?